Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mullen. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, 2025. Do I support, modalities along with manual lymph drainage and the grooming technique? Absolutely. I think it's a wonderful combination. I think you can get really bang for your buck there. But let me just tell you some precautionary measures. Remember, when we're doing manual lymph drainage or the grooming technique, this is the space under here is what we're targeting. And what we're doing is creating space. We're opening up the lymphatic system to open and close because it's so congested it can't do it. So we are manually doing it. So the lymphatics modalities, whether it's MLD or the grooming technique, we're really helping to create space to open and close so whatever congestion is there can get into the lymphatic system and then be emptied out. So we're really targeting space, okay? We're bringing oxygen in, we're starting to move all the macrophages. The cells now have a place to go to do their job. Now the modalities that they have with the technology, they're targeting cells and tissues. And every time they target a cell or a tissue, there's going to be a waste byproduct. And that goes right into the lymphatic system. So horses that are highly congested with large legs, you really, and this is a general rule all the time I use, 24 to 40 hours before you do a modality. Give the body a chance to clear out the congestion so when you do the modality, whatever it is, the congestion and the debris has some place to go and get exited out very quickly. So if you got any questions, you can about this, you can learn more about how this operates, which would be wonderful, at www.healequine.com/class-schedule to register for the introduction to connective tissue. And when everyone says no, we say yes in 2025. Believe in the possible.